Hello, everyone. Arrange the following fractions in increasing order. Increasing means smallest to the greatest. When we look at these three fractions, you can see it is the mix of improper fraction and mixed number. And when you look at all the denominator, 6, 7, and 9, it is quite difficult to find the common denominator. So what we are going to do is change the improper fraction to mixed number first. So let's start with this. How do we change? 19 divided by 6. 6 times 3, you get 18. Minus, you are left with 1. This one is numerator, denominator, and whole number. So when you write down 3, 1, 6. Now let's change this. 29 divided by 9. 9 times 3, 27. Minus 9 minus 7, 2. This is numerator, denominator, whole number. So 3, 2, 9. Based on this, you can see the whole number are all 3. So all of them are same. So we can only compare the fractions. So let's start with 1, 6, 6, 7, and 2, 9. Based on this, you can see 1, 6 is less than half. 2, 9 is also less than half. Whereas 6, 7 is greater than half. So we can see this is the greatest number. 3, 6, 7 will be greatest number. Now we will be comparing between 1, 6 and 2, 9. Now 6 and 9, what is the common denominator? It's going to be 18. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Same thing here, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 to make the denominator to become 18. So we will get 3, 18 and 4, 18. So 4, 18 is greater than 3, 18. So this will be in the middle. And 3, 18, this will be the smallest. So let's look at the answer. The option 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option start with 19, 6? Which is this option. So let's look. Middle one is 29, 9 and 3, 6, 7. So number 3 is the answer. Arrange the following fractions in decreasing order. Decreasing means greatest to smallest. So here will be greatest and here will be smallest. Now, let's look at these three fractions. We have one mixed number and two improper fractions. What do we notice? We have 4, 3, and 6. What is their common multiple? The very first common multiple of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So we are going to make all the denominator to become 12. So we have one mixed number here. This mixed number, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So let's convert 6. 6 times 1, 6 plus 5, 11. We have 11, 6. Now we have 7, 4. We have 4, 3, and 11, 6. So now, to make this into denominator of 12, we have to multiply by 3 to both. For this will be 4 to both numerator and denominator. For this will be times 2 to both numerator and denominator. So what do we have? 21, 12, comma, 16, 12, comma, 22, 12. So based on this, we can see this is the greatest. So this is greatest. Which one is the smallest? 16, 12, which is this. So this is smallest. So let's arrange. We will have greatest, which is 1, 5, 6. We have to put the original fraction. We cannot put all this. Okay. Second one will be 7, 4. And the smallest will be 4, 3. Five and a half. And they want to know what is this number. So based on this 5.5, which is a mixed number, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So let's write down 5.5 equal to the denominator, write it down, 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. Then 10 plus 1, this is going to be plus 10 plus 1, which is going to be 11. Okay, but let's look at this. This denominator is 10. This denominator is 2. So 2 to become 10, we have to multiply with 5 to both numerator and denominator. So times 5 times 5, what do we get? 55. Here is 10. So 10, 10, now equal. So the answer here should be 55. So the answer is 55. Which fraction is greater than half? So how do we know which fraction is greater than half? What we do is, we know 1/3 is confirmed smaller than half. So 1 is out. Okay? Then we have 2/3. We have 3, 7. We have 4, 9. I will teach you one simple way, which is you will multiply the numerator by 2. What do you get? You will get 4/3. You will get 6, 7. And you will get 8, 9. Look at this. Based on this, this is the only one which is the improper fraction. The rest are not. So those which are not improper fraction, that means this fraction is lesser than half. So 3 is out, 4 is out. The answer is 2. Express 3, 4, 6 as an improper fraction. So let's do this. 3, 4, 6. We will rewrite the denominator, which is 6. Now, 6 times 3. This is multiply. 6 times 3, you got 18. 18 plus 4. You get 22. So the answer is 3. How many 8s are there in 3, 7, 8? What is this 8? Isn't it 1, 8? So what do we do? 3, 7, 8. We will convert this whole thing into improper fraction. So same thing, write down 8 as a denominator. Okay, we write down the same thing. Now 8 times 3, we will multiply here. 8 times 3, 24. Then this 24 plus 7. This is going to be plus. So 24 plus 7, you get 11, 31. 31. So how many 8s? When they ask you this question, how many 8s? you are supposed to take this number only, which is 31. You cannot write, if let's say this is a short question and they ask you this, if they ask how many 8s, you just write 31. Please don't write 31, 8, which is wrong. Okay. Next question. How many 1/3? 1/3 mean this. Are there in 5 wholes? 5 wholes mean 5 of them. Okay, this is not fraction. So let's understand 1 whole has 3 out of 3. 1 whole is equal to 3 out of 3. Now, when you have 5 wholes, what do we do? 3 multiplied by 5. So what do we have? Denominator, right back, 3. 3 times 5, you get 15. So the answer is this 15. Answer will be 4. Write 17/6 as a mixed number. This is improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number, what do? We will do numerator, which is 17, divided by the denominator, which is 6. So 6 times 2, you get 12. Minus 7 minus 2, you have 5. 5 will be numerator, 6 will be denominator, 2 is whole number. So 17/6 is equivalent to 2/5/6. So 2/5/6 is the answer.